today, indeed. Seriously, guys, I'm at 35 degrees in the UK. So hot indeed, seriously. Now today, again, tricks again, new tricks again, and always, guys, for you guys. New tricks, always, guys, sitting here in the garden here down in Essex, okay. Tricks, okay, from David Copperfield, okay. The amazing versions of the floating match, and also amazing versions also of the Motorbike, the girl illusion, okay. Also amazing tricks also from the exotic vixens, okay, magic. And also amazing tricks also from Daiki in Japan. So relax, always, guys, okay. Let's sit back, relax in this lovely hot sunny day. The sky's blue today. I'm very hot indeed. I'm really hot, but there you are, okay. Gonna enjoy the heat, haven't I? And let's vlog some new tricks, okay, guys. Some new rarities of magic for you guys, okay. Looking at thousands of videos on YouTube for you guys, okay, guys. Let's vlog this video. It's gonna be good fun, okay. A bit crazy, a bit mad. It's a bit sexy, a bit exotic, a bit erotic, okay. Let's vlog this video. It's gonna be good fun, okay. Let's vlog this. Here we're gonna go. God, I'm actually melting again. It's about 30 degrees out here today, seriously. UK is so hot, it's unbelievably hot, isn't it? Now I'm going to keep a magic girl show here from a couple of sexy girls from Vegas, actually. These girls, I think, are Las Vegas magicians, okay, girls. They're beautiful ladies, okay, dancers kind of girls. Do kind of a very sexy, erotic kind of bit of magic, actually. I like a bit of sexy magic, don't you guys? A bit of a different thing to what we normally see. These girls kind of dance together, the bodies interweave together, kind of stuff. They literally kind of hump together, basically, and then they kind of start levitating, okay, that kind of stuff in the middle of the air. It's beautiful illusion, seriously. This is beautiful. It's staged really beautifully with the smoke and lighting. The girls are beautiful. The lighting and staging is beautiful as well. This is exotic and sexy kind of magic, seriously, guys. I like taking magic different kind of ways and dressing magic up into interesting styles, and this is quite sexy, seriously. So relax always, guys, okay, especially for the men out there and the ladies who like the kind of thing too. Some sexy magic from two beautiful girls who do amazing levitation over in Las Vegas, okay. This is sensational. The sexy vixens of magic levitation. Check this out. Of course, British magician 30 odd years ago. I love Copperfield shows. This is from the amazing show he did back in 1988, which is the amazing, I think it was the Bermuda Triangle show, wasn't it, 30 odd years ago, when he conquered the powers of Bermuda Triangle. Remember that show 30 odd years ago? I love that illusion, okay. This is a bit of magic, this is rarity. This has actually been cut out by many people, actually, not shown around the world. But let's find it for you guys, because it's quite a rarity of Copperfield's collection of magic, actually. And what he does is he goes in a windmill, basically, kind of hollow windmill thing in the middle of St Croix, which is in the Caribbean, okay. And what he does is, right, he has a beautiful lady with him sat opposite him, basically, okay, and this beautiful windmill kind of thing, closed windmill, and he gets a ring and a match, and he makes the match levitate in front of her eyes, okay, beautifully, okay. He makes the match fly through the ring as well, okay, and then floats back in the matchbox. It's beautiful sort of illusion, seriously done by Copperfield here with a beautiful lady. Here it is, this exotic romantic bit of magic, a little bit of romance, don't you, okay. Set to beautiful romantic music as well, okay. Copperfield in a windmill in St Croix in the Caribbean with a beautiful lady. This is a beautiful version of close-up floating match and ring. It's beautiful, very exotic and romantic magic in the old school style of 80s romantic magic. Just check this out. This is really beautiful and very elegant. I like this. I really like this. Have a look at this. This is lovely. Doing a lovely version of a trick he did in the Orient Express show 30 years ago. This is an interesting trick. This is a trick when he actually, as I remember it correctly, he kind of made the Orient Express disappear, didn't he? Okay. Now, at the beginning of the show, he did a very good version of Motorbike to girls, actually, Motorbike to people. He gets a motorbike and drives it onto the middle of this railway platform, basically, right by the Orient Express train. It's got kind of smoky and kind of exotic atmosphere, basically. And what he does is he gets a bit of cloth right over the motorbike, okay? It's like a massive kind of motorbike. And the motorbike kind of mutates in front of your eyes into 3 people. It's an amazing illusion, seriously. I don't know how he does it exactly, even now, 30 years ago later, okay? Here's a beautiful illusion. Here it is. Copperfield, okay, in the prom of his day, 30 years ago, 1991, okay? There's an amazing mutated motorcycle illusion, okay? Done very well indeed, seriously, with style panache as always by Copperfield, weaving kind of exotic kind of story, narrative, and emotions together into making a beautiful piece, okay? Here it is, lovely stuff. Here it is, okay, guys. Just love this bit of magic. Here it is. David Copperfield with amazing motorcycle to people illusion, okay? It's very beautiful narrative, beautifully staged. Have a look at this. a bit magic also here. Copperfield. There's a bit of magic also here. I like this bit of magic. This is also the amazing lift appearance illusion, very well indeed by Copperfield. Okay, this is where the amazing lift from heaven. Actually, this is one of Copperfield's sort of stage show traits he did 30 years ago. Here's a great big kind of elevator that comes down from the stage. Okay, saw shadows and light, and basically Copperfield's shadow appears in the elevator and comes down, and the elevator was open up, and that pops Copperfield, okay, from the elevator. This is an elevator from heaven, okay. When Copperfield shows the things he was doing back in the 1990s, it's a lovely illusion, seriously. Here it is, the elevator from heaven. It's very well indeed, actually, by the great magician from the 1990s and 1980s, David Copperfield. It's a lovely version of this beautiful shadow and light illusion with the elevator. It's elevator from heaven, okay. I love this stuff. It's really great. Romantic, exotic kind of magic. I love this kind of story magic. It's weaving kind of story and plot with magic together, isn't it, to create a new kind of magic. And that's what I love about Copperfield 30 odd years ago. He was great at plot, wasn't he? Emotions, plot, weaving in with the magic kind of stuff. I love that kind of stuff, seriously. Not done much nowadays, isn't it? But here we are. Here's a bit of Copperfield again here, doing a lovely version of the duck routine. Now this routine actually was banned, I think, over in Europe actually. I remember this trick being edited out. I managed to get this bit of videotape because I think in America it's still there, but it's been edited out of the European version of the show actually. Copperfield Bermuda Triangle show 30 odd years ago, 1988 actually, 33 years ago. This version is so beautiful, this trick, because this trick is amazing. What I love about this trick is that it's actually a very rarity of magic. It goes back up to ancient Egypt actually. He gets a duck and he gets a chicken, okay, and he pulls the chicken's head off, okay, puts it on the head of the duck, pulls the duck's head off, and puts it in the chicken, okay. So now the duck's got the chicken's head, the chicken's got the duck's head, okay. It's kind of head swap illusion, really. Makes the trick serious, okay. This is rarity magic, very rarely seen indeed. I don't think anyone's ever done this trick actually since actually. It's a trick going back to Deadeye in ancient Egypt 3,000 years ago. Here's Copperfield doing it in Caesar's Palace, in a show Caesar's Palace 30 odd years ago, with a real audience there and a real illusion. He performs with Joan Spinley's beautiful assistant. So relax yourselves, guys, and watch amazing head and chicken, duck and chicken head transformation illusion done very well by Copperfield 30 odd years ago in Las Vegas. It's beautiful. Have a look at this. Magic also here for another lady illusionist. This lady illusionist is also, I think her name is Mariana or something. There's a bit of a clip actually from her performing in a show over in Las Vegas again, actually, about some years ago. She's a kind of rather large lady, but she does a lovely version of the horizontal levitation. Rare levitation, I'm not seeing very much done actually. Actually, it's called a vertical levitation actually, sorry, not horizontal, it's vertical levitation. Girl gets on a stool with two poles on the side of her basically, and they take the poles away, and the girl levitates in mid-air, okay, middle of nowhere. No strings, wires, nothing at all. The girl levitates in mid-air, okay, without wires at all. Really beautiful version again of a superb, very, very commercial levitation. They're very well indeed by this lady over in Las Vegas. Here it is, okay, Mariana, I think the name is, performing over in Las Vegas, okay. Remember, check the comments below, as I say, if you want to get the exact person who this person is. I'll leave it in the comments below. Here she is, over in Las Vegas, doing a lovely version of the vertical levitation with two poles and a stool and a lady floating without any wires. It's really great, simple levitation, okay, done very well indeed, very well done indeed in Las Vegas. Have a look at this. Of course, over here, I want to say by a magician over in Japan, okay, it's called Daiki actually, Daiki, D-A-I-K-I, Daiki. There's another version of a very escape actually illusion. This is quite a good version of the upside escape illusion, and by many magicians over in the UK as well. There's some illusionist shows as well in the UK, touring illusionist show going around the world. This guy, that Daiki, basically gets some straight jacket as usual, okay, straight jacket entirely, okay, totally straight, hung upside down under a pair of like massive kind of metal kind of pincers, okay. And the idea is he's got to escape from upside the straight jacket before the pincers come and clamp him completely like that and squash him completely flat and kill him, okay? So they really went away and did it by this magician Daiki over in Japan, okay? Here it is, okay? But a rare Japanese television, okay? It's actually quite good to get this. I like this trick. So many magicians do this trick, actually. Here it is, upside down, straight jacket escape done by Daiki from the Pincers of Death, okay? And they really are freaky Pincers of Death, okay? In an amazing escape illusion, done very well indeed, very quickly indeed as well on Japanese television. It's a bit freaky, a bit mad, okay? A bit spooky, a bit scary, but have a look at this. It's really sensational, because have a look at this. It's really amazing. please like, okay? Please like, please subscribe as always, please do, please keep subscribing as always, please do to keep the channel going as always. Subscriptions are completely free as always, guys. Also remember, hit the notification bell as well to see when the video is going to come out. So hit the notification bell as well, if I can say it. Okay, to see new videos when they're released on my channel, please do. Mean to look after yourselves, okay? Please click the links below as always for many videos in magic. We do magic secrets, okay? Biographies, magicians, so please links below for that. There's many videos and you'll love the channel, so please check the channel as always, please do, okay? In the meantime, look after yourselves. Want to say hi to mates over in Greece, okay? Hi also to mum, okay, who's recovering from hospital, okay? Hi to my family as well over there. Who's helped my mum out very recently with some sickness lately. Also want to say hi to Anita as well, who's happy with that video as well. So look after yourselves, guys, as always, guys. Please enjoy the hot weather over in the UK. It's 35 degrees this weekend in the UK. Very hot indeed. I'm melting already, seriously. In the meantime, look after yourselves, okay? Please subscribe. See you again very soon, guys, for more magic and chat. Special illusions and rarities and chat and magic. See you later, and bye for now.